Let's start. Hi viewers, welcome back on my channel Excel Airlines 619. Myself Muhammad Wasim. In this tutorial, I am going to talk about how to eliminate your duplicate values or duplicate record from your data table with the help of conditional formatting and last trim function. Without wasting time, let's search on laptop screen. Viewers, I have 21 records. I want to terminate the duplicate records from this data table. Okay, viewers, most of the users follow this approach. They select this data and click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and duplicate value and press OK. Viewers, you can able to see here conditional formatting did not recognize Sumer and Zubair at top, at mid and bottom. If you follow this approach, I'm 100% sure you are going in wrong direction. Why means what is the problem here? See, if I double click in this cell, you can able to see that my cursor is blinking away from the Ahmed word. See here, same as Zubair also, because the data entry operator has been entered the data with unwanted space. So that's why the conditional formatting did not recognizing that Sumer and Zubair name. In this scenario, I recommend you to use this function trim is equals to trim, open bracket, select this name column, close bracket, press enter. Okay, now you can able to see that trim function has been remove unwanted space from names. Copy this and paste it here, control shift V. Now you can able to see that conditional formatting has been recognized the all duplicate values. So I don't want this data, I am deleting this. Okay, viewers, I will show you one shortcut here. I don't want to take huge time. Select the data, right click. Here you can able to see that search the menu. Click here, just type RE. In bottom you can able to see that remove duplicates. Click here and click on this button, select all and press OK. That's it. In message box you can able to see that 14 duplicate value found and removed. Means you have only 7 unique values. Okay, and press OK. Viewers, I hope you have understood this tutorial. I need your comment in my comment box in which topic you need a tutorial. If you have any query related to Excel, if you have any problem related to Excel, just contact me on this email address muhammadwasim@gmail.com. I will meet you in next tutorial with new topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.